Westinghouse Lighting 6117600. Westinghouse Lighting 6117600 is a sleek and sophisticated addition to any bathroom. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I can confidently say that this product delivers on both style and functionality. The matte black color of the Westinghouse Lighting 6117600 adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom decor. It effortlessly blends with various design themes, making it a versatile choice for homeowners. The steel material used in the construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a worthwhile investment. The bath bar style of this lighting fixture is perfect for illuminating the bathroom vanity area. It provides ample lighting to help you carry out your daily grooming routines with ease. Whether you're applying makeup or shaving, the Westinghouse Lighting 6117600 offers excellent visibility, ensuring you look your best every time. What sets this product apart is its attention to detail.